Chapter 7 Space Reading 31 The Missing Meteorite The stars in the night sky remain in a fixed position and do not move from one point to another. Yet sometimes we see a star that moves very fast, leaving a trail of light behind it like airplane smoke. Actually, this is not a star. The trail of light is a meteor burning up as it falls through the Earth's atmosphere. Small meteors burn up completely in the atmosphere. However, larger rocks from space do not burn up completely. Instead, they hit the Earth. Space rocks that hit the Earth are called meteorites. When a meteorite hits the Earth, it can make a kind of hole called a crater. Scientists have found more than 170 craters around the world made by meteorites. One of these craters can be seen in the desert of Arizona in the southwestern U.S. This crater is named Barringer Crater, but most people just call it Meteor Crater. Barringer Crater is not the largest crater in the world, but it is still important. One man who studied this crater helped scientists learn a lot about meteorites and craters formed by meteorites. In the early 1900s, Daniel Barringer learned about the huge crater in the Arizona desert. He thought the crater must have been formed by a huge meteorite. He also thought that the meteorite probably had a lot of iron in it, and it might be possible to dig up that iron and get rich. Barringer formed a company and started digging. As he searched for iron in and around the crater, Barringer studied the rocks and the shape of the crater. He explained many of the things he found to other scientists. In this way, our knowledge about meteorites and craters increased a lot. That was good news for everyone. However, there was bad news for Barringer. He never found the iron he was looking for. He lost a lot of money searching for the huge missing meteorite that created the crater in Arizona. Today, scientists think they know why Barringer could not find the meteorite. Barringer was looking for a huge meteorite, but actually the meteorite that formed the crater was much smaller than Barringer guessed. It was most likely about 25 to 30 meters across. Because any pieces underground would be small, nobody wants to dig for the meteorite anymore. Scientists believe that only a small piece of the meteorite remains underground at the bottom of the crater.